Let's learn how you can show followers on Facebook. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Facebook application. Now first thing, before we show the followers, make sure you have public profile enabled. To enable it, you will have to go to menu, search and find audience and visibility, and click on followers and public content. Now under this section, who can follow me, press here and you will have to click on public with this world icon. Once you do that, hit the save button and you will make your profile public. Also, you can try to this professional mode. Once you've done that, you will have to go to your profile and click on edit profile and scroll down to details and click here on edit, and you will have to scroll down. At the end of this page you will find how many followers you have, and you will have a checkbox of do you want to enable to show that followers. So I didn't do this because I don't want to make my profile public, so I don't have this option to show the followers, but it will be here like join Facebook. Just check this and click on save and you are done. So